हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम कुछ अलग अलग चीज़ें कवर करेंगे जो 9th और 10th आईटी में मिक्स्ड हैं, जस्ट लाइक कंसोलिडेशन, सॉल्वर, सिनेरियो, हाउ यू कैन see the changes, so how you can say track changes, how to share a worksheet or workbook, how to take a new sheet and how to rename it, है ना। इन सब बातों पे हम लोग आज ध्यान देंगे, है ना। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले सबसे छोटी चीज़ से शुरू करते हैं, हाउ टू रीनेम अ शीट एंड हाउ टू टेक अ न्यू शीट। देखिए, नई शीट लेने के 2-3 तरीके होते हैं। आप इस टैब पे आके राइट क्लिक कर सकते हैं और यहाँ से इंसर्ट शीट कर सकते हैं। आप चाहें तो शीट का नाम दे सकते हैं या नंबर ऑफ शीट चूज़ कर सकते हैं, कितनी शीट्स आपको चाहिए आप उतना शीट यहाँ पे अटेंड करवा सकते हैं, फिर दे सकते हैं, ठीक है। उतना यहाँ पे शीट इंसर्ट हो जाएगा। किसी पर्टिकुलर फाइल से लाना है तो उस पर्टिकुलर फाइल से भी आप यहाँ पे शीट ला सकते हो ब्राउज करके। पहले इंसर्ट करना है, बाद में इंसर्ट करना है, देन यू कैन ऑल्सो डिसाइड। तो मैंने 2 शीट्स बाद में डिसाइड की हैं, तो ये देखिए शीट 1 के बाद 2 और 3 आ गया है। नाउ आई वांट टू इंसर्ट अ शीट इन द मिडल, सो व्हाट कैन आई डू? I can just right click and insert and go to before, and I want one sheet. Okay, now you can see sheet 4 is here. sheet 2 के पहले बीच में इंसर्ट आ गई। और कैसे कर सकते हैं? तो यहाँ प्लस पे क्लिक करके भी शीट इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं। तो these are the ways you can insert a sheet. Okay, now how you can, first you can record something in calc. Okay, so in calc to record things we use macros. So we are going to record a macro right now. So this is the macro. Recording started. Now we are going to do some work here a little bit, and you are going to copy and paste it like this. Okay, so we are done with our work and we are going to stop the recording. Now we are going to save it in the library 1 and new module in the library, then my record. I gave it a name, my record, and click on OK and save it. Now I am done with the thing, done with the recording. Now I want my work back. So what can I do? I am going to tools, I am going to macro and run a macro. Where is my macro? In library 1, here it is. So macro 1, okay, and main macro 2 macros are there. So macro 1 or macro 1 we are going to run, you will get your data back. This is how you can run a macro. Simple, है ना। This is how you can run a macro. ऐसे आप अपना macro run कर सकते हैं। Now after this macro, अब मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं कैल्क के अंदर खुद का एक छोटा सा फंक्शन बनाऊँ, फॉर एग्जांपल, है ना। तो क्या कर सकते हैं? तो यहाँ पर आप एक काम और कर सकते हैं जिसे कहते हैं एडिट मैक्रो, और यू कैन ऑर्गेनाइज अ मैक्रो, और यू कैन ऑर्गेनाइज अ मैक्रो। तो टूल्स, मैक्रोज और ऑर्गेनाइज में जाते हैं, बेसिक में जाएंगे तो माय मैक्रोज में जाते हैं, और माय रिकॉर्ड के अंदर ऑलरेडी 2 हैं तो हम मेन में ही एडिटिंग कर देंगे। हेयर यू कैन डिलीट इट एंड क्रिएट अ न्यू वन, मेन एंड मैक्रो 1 इज ऑल्सो देयर। और चाहो तो आप अपनी नई फाइल भी ले सकते हो। हाउ इट यू कैन टेक इट, वापस से बताता हूँ। टूल्स, मैक्रोज, ऑर्गेनाइज, गो टू बेसिक, and here you can take a new file, है ना। if you don't want to take the previous one, okay, take previous module. So go to there, go here, new module, okay, so you will take a new module after it. So macro 2 you will got here, you will get here macro 2, okay, so macro 2 you will get. So we are going to delete. Now we are going to write sub, or you can write function ABC. This is the function symbol, and to end this function we write end function. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to add 2 values, x20, y30, z is equal to x plus y, and print z. This is all we are going to do. We are going to save it. So is equal to ABC brackets, enter. We will didn't get anything, just wait for it. So tools, macros, run macro, we will see what is the problem. Oh, now he will get the 50. This is how you can run it. Basically in Excel you can run it like this also, that okay, you can run like that also, or you can write msg box z, or you can write this like this also, dim x as integer, dim y as integer. You can do it this like this also, okay, and dim z as integer. Then you will do it like this, then x is equal to 20, y is equal to 30, and this is how also you can do it. Okay, so now close it. Let's try again. Okay, and then again we didn't get anything, so again we are going to run it from here. So run macro and add abc, run, you will get the 50 here. This is how you can run your own macro. Okay, or this is how you can get also value, also values get, you can also get the values. So this is how you can record a macro as well as you can do the coding part of the macro. Now what we are going to do, we are going to show the changes. Okay, we are going to show the changes. From where we can show the changes? If you want to show anything, then please remember that you are going to choose only and only one thing, that is view menu. That is view menu. Okay, and if you want to edit something and you want to show the editing part, then you are going to choose the edit menu. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to write here something. I am going to write here a little bit things. These are 9 values, 9 different values are here. So now what I want to do, I want to see whether anybody have done some changes or not. So first I am going to record my changes. Okay, I am going to record it. So still recording is going on. So I am going to change this 56 into 45 is 91 into 12, and this 45 into 74. As you can see, the track changes option shows the changes in red color. You can see the columns are present or cells are present with the red border in which you have done the changes. Now again I am going to edit and do the show changes. So now here you can see the changes. Now I want to see the changes according to the time. You can see the changes as per the time. You can see the changes as per the author. You can see the changes with the help of the range, like this. I want to see here these changes, okay, or you can with the help of comment also. So I want the changes in this cell. Now again I'm going to edit and track changes. Okay, now manage. Now in manage you can see these 3 changes I have made: E12, E12, E14 and F13. जिस जैसे जैसे चेंज हुआ वैसा वैसे चेंज में बताया गया. You can accept a change or you can reject a change also. How you can accept it? Like E12 मुझे सही लगा तो मैंने accept कर लिया. E14 मुझे सही नहीं लगा, मैंने reject कर दिया. Now you can see it is on now converted into 94, 91 again. And F13 74 क्या करना है तो accept कर लेते हैं ये भी. Now you can see accepted and rejected changes are here. है ना, E14 भी चेंज हुआ था, ठीक है, पहले एक्सेप्टेड था बट बाद में चेंज हो गया था तो वी रिजेक्टेड इट. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन ट्रैक द चेंजेस दैट आर मेड बाय अनदर ऑथर इन योर शीट्स. नाउ यू कैन सी it's still working. Okay, you want to exit the change recording? Yes, I want to exit the change recording. Yeah, this is how you can track your changes or track the changes in your data. Now next thing what we are going to do, okay, next thing we are going to do is we are going to create consolidation part. We are going to consolidate the data. What you can do with the consolidation? See, consolidation says that you can perform a single function on multiple data ranges at the same time. Okay, you can record multiple you can apply single formula in multiple data ranges at the same time with the help of consolidation. okay, and you will get the result at a single place. Now what you can do, so here I am writing 2021 and tea and coffee, two things I am taking, or you can write purchase and sale and profit and loss, you can like this, and here you can write tea and coffee, again 2022 purchase and sale, profit and loss, and you can again write tea and coffee. Okay, you can take something different also, but I am taking the same thing. Okay, as for the beginners. Okay, now the now बिजनेस बढ़ गया हमारा, अच्छी बात है. Now we are going to differentiate it, not the added, not the addition, is equal to this minus this. This is how you will get the profit and loss. The same thing I am going to copy and paste here, and here it is. So you will get the profit and loss for the both here. Now I am going to consolidate at this range. So where we are going to do, where we are going to go, so we are going to consolidate here. Now what we want to apply, first I want to see the sum. So select the source range, this is here. Now select the another range, which is here. Now both the ranges are done. So where you want to show the result, I want to show the result here. Now some options are also available here, like you can show the row labels, you can show the column labels, and you can link to the previous data also. So when you change in this previous data, the consolidation data will also change. Okay, I will show that to you later, but right now like this. Okay, so as you can see, 7,500 plus 200 is 7,700. You can see it like this. So you will get the whole profit and loss here. The result of previous 2 years, you can see the here sum. But what if you don't want a sum, you want an average? So go to data, consolidation, still it is here, and you want average, and so you will get the average. Options are there. Okay, you will get average. Average of 2 years is 3,850. This is the average purchasing, this is the average sale, this is the average profit of your loss of your 2 years. Okay, what other things you can also get? You can also get the subtotals. For example, like this is 2021 January. Okay, now and this is 2021 February. Okay, this is January and February, and this is how you can make 2 or 3 months also. January, February. This is for the March. This is for the April. This is for the May. This is for the June. Okay, done. So we are done with this, and you can change the data if you want. I don't want to change the data right now. So this is your data for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, and you want to see some subtotals of that. Okay, and you can add something else also. For example, in this year I want to purchase or sell card also. So 3,000 and 2,000. After this, I sold this the same thing after 2 years or 2 months here. Okay, and after this here. So in some selected months I am selling card. Okay, otherwise I am not going to sell the card. To differentiate this, I am going to add this. Okay, anything. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to go to now again consolidation, and first I will delete this old data, and I am going to add some new data here. Now first I am selecting this and adding this, add 1, again going to select this one and add 2. Okay, now again going to select this. Now I am going to select all the ranges on which I want to perform these functions. So add again this one and the last one here. So we added all the ranges. Now what you want to do? I want the sum. First I want a sum. Okay, I want a sum. So sum where you want to apply the sum here, and what you want, I want the row and column levels. Like you can see, this is the sum now, this is the overall. Okay, but we have seen it earlier. What else we can do with it? Here it is, you can get the subtotals of each and everything. Okay, so the column F is there, group by column F, not by column F. I want to group by null. Okay, तो column F में मुझे count चाहिए, second group, third group. You can do it like this. First group किसका बनाना है, second group, third group किसका बनाना है. You can do it like this. Okay, so right now I am selecting this data. Okay, so now I'm going to data and subtotals. Now you have three here: purchase, sale or profit and loss. You can have all things here. ओके तो किस किस का ग्रुप बनाना है. तो पहला ग्रुप मैं चाहता हूँ मेरे पास बन जाए किसका, परचेज का एक ग्रुप बन जाए, एक सेल का बन जाए, है ना. परचेज और सेल, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस नहीं है, तो मुझे सम निकालना परचेज और सेल का ओवरऑल सब टोटल्स, है ना, एक अलग अलग हिसाब से. तो ओके करते हैं. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर. ओके, डेटा इज़ नॉट प्रेजेंट, सो वी विल ऐड. सॉरी, सो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे हर मंथ का अलग अलग डेटा आ गया है एक हिसाब से. But this is not what we want. This is not what we want. Okay. Again go to data and subtotals. Now purchase और sale के हिसाब से आपको डेटा चाहिए. So you can click on purchase, sale, profit and loss. Okay, select all columns कर दिया. Second group किसके हिसाब से बनाना, तो हमें second और third group बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay, so okay करते हैं. Now as you can see here, purchase और sale के हिसाब से जो डेटा है वो बना हुआ है यहाँ पे. So tea, coffee, that is 200, 200, 200, that is 600, 100 total. ये सब totals हैं हर चीज़ के, है ना. And the total cost are these. Total you got 18,300 as a loss. Okay. Now next thing, one more. Now after this consolidation, ये पहला, दूसरा, तीसरा ग्रुप है. तीनों ग्रुप आप अलग अलग यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, अलग अलग चाहे तो आप निकाल सकते हैं. फिलहाल मैं नहीं निकाल रहा हूँ. Okay, so I'm going to remove this, remove. Okay, done. Now again data and subtotals and remove, then again subtotals and remove each and everything. Okay, now after the consolidation we are going to see the solver. So for the solver, what I'm going to do, see, I'm going to create a mark sheet for you, like serial number, subject, serial number, subject, obtained marks, remaining marks, total, and here I am going to write is target. What will be my target? Okay, I will write it here. Now, so subject AI, then IT, then DS, then CV. These are my subjects, and I've done 56%, 24, 36, 89. This is all I got. Yeah. Remaining marks, just write 0, and total is this obtained plus remaining is equal to total. And what is the total of all these marks? So we are going to apply sum. Functions must be there, please remember that. Okay, functions must be there. फंक्शंस होने चाहिए जहाँ पर भी आप सॉल्वर का अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं, तो क्योंकि सॉल्वर में बहुत सारे फंक्शन की जरूरत पड़ती है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डेटा एंड हियर, sorry, in tools we will get the solver here. Now as we get the solver, first we want a target cell. So what will be our target cell? This will be our target cell where we will get the total. Now what value we want? I want 380 marks out of 400. That is my target. It means 90% marks I want. By changing which cell? Obviously I got the obtained marks, so we cannot change it. So we will change the remaining marks. Now as you can see, the highest mark you can get in a subject is 100. The highest marks you will get in a subject is 100. So what please remember this, when you are giving this value, that will be deducted from this one. Okay, after deduction from 100 from this, just give that value. So cell reference this one, and less than value 56 minus 100, that is 44. Next this one. Now 100 minus 24 is 76. Then this one, 100 minus 36 is equal to 63, sorry 64, and 100 minus 89 is equal to 11. So these are the highest remaining marks you can get in these subjects. Okay, so please remember this, you cannot give it here 100. If I will give it 100 here, it means the total marks will be more than 156. So for 100 I am giving 44 limit here, that you can change this remaining marks column with the highest value of 44, not more than that. Now if my target is 380, let's see what it gives us the solution. It will give the solution in the points, please remember that. So okay, I am okay with this, and keep results. These are the results we will get. So out of 44 I want 41 marks, out of 75 I want 76, I want 74, out of you can say 63 I want 53 marks, out of 11 I want 5 marks to improve, so I will get 380 marks. This is how you can use solver for each and every problem here. Okay, so this is how we can do the consolidation, this is how we can use the subtotals, this is how we can use the solver here, and this is how we can write code for solver also. So that's all for the today's video.